Welcome to Step 4, View Transactions. So the Transactions tab will provide you with information regarding automatically generated invoices and chargebacks. Invoice. If automated invoice is active, you can find all your payouts and invoices sorted by date of creation. Entries also show the current status of an invoice and enable downloading the file. Chargebacks. The section provides details about chargebacks coming from non-compliant activities. They are immediately deducted from automatically generated invoices, but you are required to deduct them from manually sent invoices. To view additional information on specific chargeback, click on the chargeback amount and a window with the respective details will appear.